Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. Big up on yourself, everyone now watch from. Yeah, man. So today we're gonna try something new. I don't know if you guys have ever tried it, but I'm going to try something new today. I have a little veggie chunks here. So right now I am going to French fry the veggie chunks along with some coconut white rice. So I'm gonna stick and stay for that one, guys. That one is not go normal. As I say, guys, it's a experience. It's a something may I try, something new. So when I don't know the things yet, I love to try new things, So I'm gonna stick and stay and watch what I go on. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Big up on yourself. Alright, guys. So this is my veggie chunks. Yeah, man. So this is the brand that I like, the Natural Life one. So as me say, it's a little I have, so me I go try work wonders with it. So French fry, veggie chunks, stick and stay for that one day. Now go normal. Alright, guys, yeah, man. So I put on a little water, which me I go tip a little salt in there. Yeah, man, because you don't want to get the veggie chunks all fresh, So I tip a little salt in there, and again I go tip a little, noodle inside there, a little cock soup, so I can get the taste, like, because the veggie chunks fresh overall. So I just stick and stay and watch that one, guys. Alright, guys, so better yet, I'm not going to use the noodle. I'm going to use the little the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to throw a little in the pot now. Okay, guys, so I have put in the veggie chunks now, so I'm going to leave it, make it boil. Yeah, man, because I don't know, guys, I have to make it boil in order to do what I want to do with it. So after this boil now, I'm going to strain it off, make it drain, season up my flour, put them in there, and then throw them in the oil. Yeah, man, so no stick and stay, guys. That one is not going normal. See it there? It's boiling. Yeah, man. It's boiling, coming on nicely, Yeah, man. Stick and stay and watch what I go on. Yes, guys, so see it there now, it come down to a boil now, so guess what? I'm going to turn off the fire now, strain it, and put it down to cool. Yeah, man, so we're not going to see all of the process, guys, so just stick and stay and watch what I go on. Alright, veggie chunks them cook now, so I leave them for drain off, because I want them drain off properly, Yeah, man, so after which I go get my flour season up, put some seasoning in it, get some baking powder throw in it as well. Yeah, man, get my oil in my pot and start do my thing, guys. So no stick and stay and watch what I go on. I know say uno might eat veggie chunks, brown stew and curry, but I know say for a fact uno never French fry or tried French fry yet, guys. So uno stick and stay for the new one. Alright, my people, yeah, man. So sorry I have to use this, but guess what? Time is against me now. So I have to use this, cook the rice, Yeah, man, so I'll go ahead, wash the rice now, and see if I can get it in the pot. The pot is already on the fire, guys. Yeah, man, see it there, so I'm going to get the coconut milk powder in a hit now, because I don't know how I said, me could get for blend or grate on coconut, guys, because time is against me. You know, me have to try beat the time if go pick up the kids from school. So when I don't know the things yet, stay tuned. So guys, I like to use this margarine because it's fat free, guys. Yeah man, so the Golden brand, fat free. Yeah man, so see it there, as me did I say, guys, Golden brand margarine. Yeah man, fat free. So I'm gonna put piece of this in the pot now, guys. So we mix the parboiled rice with some of the basmati rice, guys. Yeah man, so I'll get it washed out. Stick and stay and watch what I go on, man. But I boil up now, you know, guys, so I want to get in the rice, you know. Alright, but a bubble. Yeah, man, so I don't stick and stay and watch what I go on until we get the rice in the pot. Rice in a pot now. So see it, so no stick and stay and watch what I go on. See the veggie chunks they are drained, guys. Yeah man. Yeah man, so meanwhile the veggie chunks are drained, I'm gonna line up the flour now to get the veggie chunks them French fry. Yeah man. I know, you know, guys, so enough of one never try this, you know. Yeah man, so when I don't know, guys, when I can try it, French fry veggie chunks. Yeah man, decent, guys. So when I don't know anything set, you know, man, always remember like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah. Alright, guys, so season up my flour now. I have a little all-purpose, a little jerk seasoning, a little paprika, and a little baking powder. Yeah man, so when I don't know anything set, stick and stay, watch what I go on. So the rice pot, the guys, coming on nicely. Yup. Yeah man, you have the basmati rice mixed with the parboiled rice. So I'm gonna stick and stay, watch what I go on. Alright, so the veggie chunks finally drained now, you know, guys. Me try squeeze out most of the water out of it. Yeah man. And the reason why I cook it with the cock soup and the all-purpose, guys, because you want the taste in the veggie chunks when you eat it. You don't want it to taste fresh and all of that. So when I know anything come down to, you know, stick and stay. So see them the guys in the flour. Yeah man, me I try get some of them in a hit, you know, guys. So when we see the process what I go on, because guys me want me have a video and I do the thing at the same time. Yeah man, so when I know anything go, man, I know stick and stay. When I go see the finished product. Some of just fluff the rice, guys, I turn it up. Yeah man. See it there? Yeah man, so that's the pot to French fry the chunks now. So I'm gonna pour some oil in it and put a piece of garlic and a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in it. That's what it looks like. So if you just go and wait till the oil hot now, guys, and then I put in my veggie chunks of French fry. Yes, so the oil there. The money oil is supposed to hot now, so I'll get my chunks in there, guys. So when we get them in the pot, we'll see what I go on. Alright, so see them there now, guys. Get them to a golden brown, you know? Yeah, man. Stick and stir and watch what I go on. French fry veggie chunks. Go normal. Yeah. Yes, guys, so this is what it is coming down now too. So I make them fry now, guys. Make them fry, you know. Come on, see it there. Come on, French fry veggie chunks. Yeah, man, and not true the color of them, guys, why them no look that brown, you know. Yeah, man, but you no stick and stay and watch for the greatness, man. Yeah, man, I know now go and try this, you know, guys. French fry veggie chunk, basmati rice. I don't know anything now. So them look like so they're ready to come out now, you know, guys. So I go take them out. So after I take them out, I go see what I go. So I no stick and stay. The rice, you know, rice basically ready. So the rice, come on. Rice fluffy and nice, you know, guys. Once you hear that, you don't know it go. Yes, my people. So, gonna make me know how my veggie chunks, my French fry veggie chunks look. Yeah, man. Decent, guys. Decent. Yeah, man. See it there? French fried veggie chunks. So the second part there now, guys. Yeah, man. So well, guys, my taste a while ago and the pepper wicked in it. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. See it there? French fried veggie chunks. Alright, guys, so that's my sauce, you know. Yeah, man, I'm doing the sauce stuff throughout the veggie chunks, you know. Yeah, man, and eat with the rice. So I don't know if it come down to, you know, guys. Yeah, man, I don't see how French fry veggie chunks deal with and the white rice. Yeah, man, so I eat that now, guys. So I go cook a little piece of chicken for my daughter, them guys, so when they come from school, them get it to eat because them really eat the veggie chunks. So I'm not going to show that part video, guys, because the video is too long. So guess what? You want to know? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Always remember, share it with a friend. Yep. It's coming down now. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so after I wanna see how me deal with the veggie chunks French fried, yeah, man, let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried that veggie chunks that way, you know. So leave in the comment section, guys, if you have had French fried veggie chunks or if you like veggie chunks. Yeah, man, so I don't know anything come down to stick or stay for another epic adventure. Yeah, man, because we have some epic content line up. Go all about do some cooking and all of them something there. So now stay tuned and watch what go on. And always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. You may talk. Yeah, you subscribe. Share it with a friend. Big up yourself.